Welcome. If you manage a Telegram channel and want to control who can invite users via link, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to prevent channel admins from inviting users with a link using the latest Telegram update. This is a great way to keep your channel secure and ensure only trusted people can grow your community. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have the necessary admin rights for the channel you want to manage. Next, navigate to your channel. You'll find it in your chat list. Just tap to open. Now, at the top of the channel chat, tap on the channel name. This opens the channel's profile page where you can see details and settings. Look for the edit button, usually represented by a pencil icon, and tap it. This takes you into the channel's settings. Scroll down and select administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all the admins in your channel. Find the admin you want to restrict and tap on their name. This opens up their specific permissions. Look for the option labeled Invite Users via Link. There will be a toggle switch next to it. To prevent this admin from inviting users via link, simply toggle this option off. Once you've made your change, don't forget to save. This ensures your new settings are applied immediately. That's it. The selected admin will no longer be able to generate or share invite links for your Telegram channel. This method gives you more control over your channel's privacy, helps you prevent unwanted invitations, and keeps your community secure. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for managing your Telegram channels and groups. Stay in control and keep your channel safe.